Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of the everyday world? What secrets are hidden in the seemingly ordinary materials that surround us? Welcome to a journey into the extraordinary micro-realms, where the mundane transforms into the marvelous. Prepare to be amazed as we dive deep under the microscope, exploring the unseen universe that exists all around us. Our adventure begins with a simple grain of sand. To the naked eye, it's just a tiny speck, part of a larger beach or desert. But under the lens, the sand reveals its true nature. Each grain is a miniature mountain range, a landscape of jagged peaks and smooth valleys, reflecting the sunlight in a dazzling display. The intricate details, the unique shapes, and the varying colors paint a picture of a world far more complex and beautiful than we could have ever imagined. Next, let's examine a common household item, a strand of hair. At a glance, it appears smooth and uniform, but the microscope reveals a completely different story. We see the overlapping scales of the cuticle, the outer layer, much like the shingles on a roof. These scales protect the inner cortex, which gives the hair its strength and color. The textures and patterns are nothing short of stunning, showcasing the incredible design of nature. Now let's move on to the world of textiles. A piece of fabric, like a piece of cotton, may seem simple, but under the microscope, it transforms into a tangled web of fibers. These fibers, twisted and intertwined, create the fabric's structure. We can observe the unique characteristics of each fiber, from its shape to its texture, revealing the secrets behind the fabric's strength, softness, and durability. But the microscopic world isn't just about beauty. It's also about function. Take a look at the surface of a leaf. The microscope unveils a network of veins, transporting water and nutrients, and tiny pores called stomata, which allow the leaf to breathe. We see the intricate structures that enable photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. The more you look, the more you see the exquisite design, the precision, and the efficiency of nature. Finally, let's explore a drop of water. Under the microscope, it's not just a clear liquid, but a teeming world of life. We encounter microscopic organisms, from single-celled bacteria to tiny aquatic creatures, all interacting in a complex ecosystem. These microscopic inhabitants play a vital role in our world, from breaking down organic matter to shaping the environment around them. It is truly a hidden world. So, the next time you look at a grain of sand, a strand of hair, a piece of fabric, a leaf, or a drop of water, remember that there's an entire universe waiting to be discovered. The microscope is a window into the unseen, a tool that reveals the hidden beauty and complexity of the world around us.